Today is our second day of Skardu tour और आज हम इंशाल्लाह एक्सप्लोर करेंगे मंटोखा वाटरफॉल और सफरंगा का कोल्ड डेजर्ट और उसके बाद हम जाएंगे ब्लाइंड लेक. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट वी विल फाइंड एंड व्हाट वी विल एक्सप्लोर.
Today I'm exploring this waterfall. The water is actually like in -4°C. It's quite therapeutic to me because you don't actually get to relax and feel the nature beneath your feet. I'm so happy about this tour, like the collaborative solution. They have given us a good opportunity and exposure. I would highly recommend each and every person to give some part of their life out for nature, exploration, excursions, and see how it changes you from within. Thank you so much.